Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel English Seeko Dil Se. English story. Hard work is the key to success. In a far-away village lives a hard-working farmer who has grape fields. Year after year, his grapery gives rich harvest and the farmer becomes very successful. He has 3 sons who are young and energetic but never bother to walk. As the farmer grows old, he begins to worry about his son's future. Then he falls very ill and realizes his death is fast approaching. He calls the sons and tells them, "Dear sons, I see my death nearing me, but before I bid goodbye to all of you, I want to share a secret. There is a treasure hidden under the fields. Dig the entire field after my death to find it." The old farmer dies, and his sons perform the last rites. The sons begin to dig for the treasure without leaving any part of the field, but find nothing. However, their digging of the field leads to a healthy crop and results in huge earnings. These earnings make the sons realize what their father meant. Moral of the story: hard work always pays off. Fruits of hard work are always sweet, whether or not they are in the form you desire. Hope you like this story. If you love reading and listening to English stories so that it helps you improve your English, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your love and support. See you all in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. God bless you all.